Serena's mom is planning her birthday party. She bought balloons, plates, and cups. Serena's mom bought twice as many plates as cups. And the number of balloons Serena's mom bought was half the number of cups. So we're going to start with the balloons. And we're going to sketch one box for the balloons. It says the number of balloons that Serena's mom bought was half the number of cups. So if balloons has 1, the cups needs 2. That way the balloons are half. Then it also says she bought twice as many plates as cups. So we need twice the number of cups. Right now there's 2. So we need 4 in the plate section. It says in part A that if Serena's mom bought 84 items, how many of each did she buy? So we're going to split 84 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. 7 fits into 8 one time and leaves you with 1 extra. Bring down your 4, and 7 fits into 14 twice. So each piece gets 12. This means that she bought 12 balloons, 12, 24, 36, 48 plates, and 12, 24 cups. B says Tammy brought 12 balloons to the party. How many total balloons were at the party? Well, we started with 12, and Tammy brought 12 more. So we have a total of 24 balloons now. C says if half the plates and all but 4 cups were used during the party, how many plates and cups were used? If half of the plates were used, that would be 24 plates. And then it says if all but 4 cups were used, how many cups were used? We're going to take 24 cups, and we're going to subtract the 4 that weren't used for 20 cups. 20 cups